Alright, welcome back folks. Now another Tata took center stage in Geneva, the H7X, or as they call it, the Buzzard. Now if you're looking at it thinking it looks like a stretched out Harrier, well that is literally what it is. Somebody just scanned the Harrier, bumped it up by 5% and voila, the Buzzard. In fact, it even shares the same wheelbase as the Harrier at 2741mm. However, it is longer by 60mm and taller by 80mm. The H7X, or the Buzzard as they call it, I don't like that name to be very honest. The Buzzard is a 7-seater SUV that is going to be Tata's flagship when it's launched in 2020, which means that it's going to replace the Hexa. The Buzzard, when launched in 2020, will go up against the likes of the XUV 500 and the upcoming MG Hector. Again, what's with the names? Imagine driving a car called the Hector. I can't picture it. Now, the Buzzard name is confirmed for global markets. However, Tata is considering changing the name for India. The reason being that in Europe, Toyota owns the rights to the name Harrier, which is why the Harrier in Geneva is called the Buzzard Sport. I definitely think Tata should change the name. What do you guys think? Should they? Shouldn't they? Now coming to the interiors, yes, it's basically a Harrier underneath, so a lot of the interior bits and pieces also carry forward. So switch gear, the dashboard, even the instrument cluster is pretty much the same, but Tata have done a couple of things to make this car different. One cool standout feature, for example, is that even in the third row there is an iPod, an aux input along with an AC vent. Somebody was thinking about the kids. Now powering the Buzzard or the H7X is going to be the same Fiat Source 2-liter multi-jet engine, however in a higher state of tune, and it is going to be BS6 compliant. It's going to be available obviously with 6-speed manual, but also potentially a Hyundai Source 6-speed torque converter automatic. So what do you guys think about Tata's new flagship H7X Buzzard? Why don't you let us know in the comments below.